Did you know that your body is constantly sending and receiving energy signals every second? So let me ask you something. Have you ever felt curious about energy healing, like Reiki, or have you heard the word chakras, but you didn't really fully understand what it actually is, or even if it even works? Well, in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you, what energy healing is, where it comes from, if it's actually real, and simple ways that you can just start working with your own energy today. You are going to feel so much better. And once you understand this, you're going to start to see your stress, your emotions, and even your patterns like a completely different way. Welcome back to Energy Unleashed. I'm Michi, life coach and energy healer, and someone who's spent over 20 years in high performance environments before realizing something very powerful, that you can do all the right things. You can reach the highest in your career, but if your energy is off, your life will feel off too. So let's talk about it. Energy healing is based on one truth. You are not just physical. You, me, we all are energetic beings. Your body runs on electrical signals, vibration, frequency. So energy healing is simply the practice of just working with that system to restore balance, harmony. Because when your energy is flowing, you feel grounded, clear, calm, and you have this amazing, beautiful space to allow fresh new opportunities and people to match your frequency and come into your life, come into your field. Now, when your energy is blocked, you're going to feel overwhelmed. You're going to feel anxious, stuck, drained. Nothing is ever going right. You're just going to feel blah. And this is why energy healing really focuses on like the connection between you, mind, body, soul, emotions. It's not just about the symptoms. We're going deep, internal connection. And this work has been around for the longest time before it even became trendy. This all goes back to the ancient Indian traditions who spoke about prana, life force energy. We have Chinese medicine who introduced qi, energy in the meridian lines. We have practices like acupuncture and breathwork, all which were designed to restore balance in the body. And here we are now, modern science, where it's now catching up to what ancient wisdom had always known. Energy is everything. Your emotions carry energy. Your stress affects your nervous system. So your thoughts are influencing your physical body. When you go through life carrying so much stress and trauma, we all go through it in different ways, right? There's different scenarios, different stories, but we all have at some point in life gone through something traumatic. Whether it was even just in childhood, something being said to you could have been a traumatic effect on your entire life because it's something that you felt strongly about when you were a child, and it's impacting how you think and behave right now. And all of that energy doesn't just disappear one day. No, it gets stored in your body. And over time, that can show up as burnout, anxiety, feeling disconnected to yourself or to source. And energy healing helps you become aware of all of that. And it's going to gently release it naturally. It's not about replacing doctors, because doctors, we do need them for certain things, absolutely. But this energy healing is something that everyone can do at their own comfort of their own home, natural, free. It's your own power, and you become so much more connected to yourself, what you want in life, and even better to your higher self, to God, to source. Energy healing is about supporting your overall well-being in a deeper, more holistic way. And if this information is already making sense to you, or you are actually enjoying these topics, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me. I would truly, truly appreciate it. It's going to help this channel, this good energy, good information, get out there into the world more, because this is where we bridge real life, real energy, real transformation with the information, our voice that we're putting out there. So think of your body like a system. When everything's flowing, it works beautifully, right? When something gets stuck, everything's going to feel harder. There's going to be a lot of bumps in the road. And energy healing techniques are going to help move that stuck energy. So whether that's through somatic breathwork, chakra alignment, Reiki, or even simple awareness practices, it's all going to help. And these are not ways of like forcing. Simply allow. You're just going to allow and be present. And techniques so simple do wonders for your life. Very beginner friendly. So if you're curious, here's how you can start, right? No big deal, no overwhelm, simple things. Put it into your daily routine the moment that you wake up. Breathing. Simply do coherent breathing. Think of something very grateful in your mind, something that you love, just so your heart can start warming up the first thing when you wake up in the morning. Then you're just going to simply breathe in through your nose, hold it for a few seconds, and exhale out through your mouth. If you're feeling extra anxious, it's good to hold the inhale for a few moments. So try a simple 4-4-6. So you're going to breathe in for 4 through the nose, hold it for 4, and release, exhale through the mouth for 6. Do that a few times, at least 3 times. You will feel the difference, the shift in energy immediately. Another one you can try is grounding. I love grounding so much. Get outside, put your feet on the earth in nature. Nature is so healing on its own. The vibrations, the frequency from the animals chirping, from the colors that you're actually seeing. There's blue therapy, there's green therapy. The ions from the ground are neutralizing you from the core, from the bottom of your feet. That's why it's important to touch the ground. If you have a little bit of a yard, if you're in New York, that might be a situation. New York does have parks, so go walk to your local park, and if you can, take off your shoes if you can. If you can't, at least go and be close to trees, which are full of wisdom and just good energy, and you're gonna feel so refreshed. Nature totally resets your body. Third one you can try is internal audit, awareness check-ins. Just pause for a second, whatever you're doing during the day, each day, and just say, what am I feeling right now? What does my energy need right now? Do that more often, and you're going to start being more aware of your body. Next one, if you follow me, you know this is my thing, the Queen of Chakras. Start noticing where you feel tension, where you feel heaviness in your body. We have several chakras in our body. We have 7 main ones that are good to focus on, and check out some other episodes on my channel. Skim through them because I do speak about the chakras a lot. They are our energy centers, energy vortexes that basically helps your whole body function, different emotions. So different emotions are linked to certain areas of your body, and we can learn how to release and realign and balance ourselves more through chakra balancing. The 5th one that you can try is energy tools. Tools, no, not from the toolbox, tools like natural energy, God-given tools to help with energy healings, things like crystals. I just did a video on this. Check out my previous episodes and learn about crystal healing. Works wonders as well, and it feels good and it's cutesy, and I love it. If this is your first time, visualize yourself cleansing your energy with that stone. For beginners, you can actually try something simple like selenite, which you can find in almost any crystal shop or spiritual shop. Even online you can order it, but you want to make sure that it's from a legit place. It's a natural element. It's not any of those false things that a lot of Amazon stores tend to sell, false imitation crystals, gemstones. So just be careful with what you get and do your research. So those are just a few things, not to overwhelm you. You don't need to do everything. Just pick one. Pick one that called to you. And I'm just curious. So if you've stuck around this far, you're still here listening to me, I'm just wondering, what made you click this video? What called to you? Is it something that you're just curious about? Is it something, have you used energy healing techniques and tools before? Drop it down in the comments. Let's connect, because that's what I'm here for. So when your energy is balanced, right? You've tried these different techniques, these different practices. Now you're feeling confident. You're feeling lighter. You're feeling much better. Guess what? People are going to feel that shift. people that you're friends with, your romantic partners, your work partners, they're going to feel that glow, that lightness, that confidence that you now have. That happened to me. People are like, oh my gosh, Michelle, you look so happy. You look like you changed. Like, my gosh, look at you thriving. And it's all from me going about doing the same things that I need to do every day. However, I'm going about it differently internally because of all this energy healing that I've done. And now I use it, not even use it, I make it. It is part of my lifestyle now. It's not just a one-time Band-Aid and done. No, it is my lifestyle, and people will feel this shift. So pick one, try it out. Let me know how it goes for you. You're going to start just acting different altogether as well. You're going to respond instead of reacting to things. So, and there's a difference, right? Because when you respond, you're actually coming from a grounded state instead of reacting so suddenly and sometimes just very loud, and maybe it's going to be in an incorrect manner because you're all worked up. I can't wait for people to start seeing that shift in you because your energy speaks before you do. Just remember that. And if you've been feeling like that quiet little curiosity for energy healing, which is why you've made it this far, that's awesome, so amazing. And this isn't random. This is really your first step toward real alignment. So just start simple and stay consistent. Consistency compounds over time, and you're going to start seeing that difference. Trust your body. It knows what to do. It holds all the answers to everything. And if you feel called at all throughout this episode, if right now you're just being curious and you feel called to go a little bit deeper, I have a new program about to launch. It's called Reset to Rise. And it is just that, to reset your energy, learn how to manage your energy, crystal healing involved as well. And you're going to rise to your alignment, to your highest and best self. That's going to be the goal. Everybody's different, depends on what it is in your life that is blocking you right now, whether you feel stuck in a hamster wheel, whether it's one specific situation, whatever it is, that's something that is fixable, and it's fixable through energy healing and speaking with someone who's been there, done that, and or similar path as you. So if that sounds interesting, I'm going to link everything in the comments. So check it out. This work changed my life, so I know it can support yours too. And I love it so much. It makes me feel so good and sexy and confident. I want to share it with you. Stay grounded, trust your energy, and I'll see you in the next episode.